Of course, you have your outdoor shower, hot and cold, or cold and hot. And all it is a quick connect. So what you want to do is you'll push that in, start your line. Once it's installed, boom, it's good to go.
Like an air hose.
Of course, that would allow you to use that. We do have water in the freshwater tank. So let's go ahead and cut on that pump. We only have a little bit. And that water pump's got to build up a little bit of pressure.
Gotcha.
And build up pressure. This little light switch right here is controlling these lights right here. And that's for the for people about your height, you know, my height, so that way we don't come in contact with them.
Yeah, I've hit the other one.
Then of course you have all your satellite and your input, or your satellite and your cable inputs right over here. So of course, if you wanted to run satellite mainly for the living room, you're going to put it in at the top. If you wanted to run cable for the entire camper, you're going to put it right there in the middle. And if you wanted to run satellite in the bedroom, then you're going to put it in the bottom one. Now, if you want to run satellite to your entire camper, just buy like a little splitter from either us or Walmart or something like that, and then at that point connect them into every single port that you have, and boom, you have satellite everywhere. You're not having to come out here and physically change it.
Yeah, I think I got one.
This one right here is going to be if you wanted the TV for over here. All right, and then for your different types of camping, all you have to do is follow as the picture shows. So if you're operating off of city water, which is the spigot, then you want to put it into this picture shown. So that's white pointed there, blue down, black to the side, and red and green up. Also, the water pump has pressurized, but I wasn't doing something right. What I wasn't doing right, I didn't have it in dry camping correlation. So that's also for if you're filling the freshwater tank. If you're filling the freshwater tank, you're going to put it into power fill correlation. All right, and then once you get ready to use that water, once the pump has been cut on, you will not receive any water until you cut it into dry camping correlation. So let's go ahead and try that now. We're receiving a little bit more. See how it's different pressure? So that's why I did it.
Yep.
Then of course you have winterize and sanitize. So with yours on your Laredo, you probably had to access the back of the water heater to cut your valves off in order to winterize.
Right.
This one you do not.
Oh,
all right. These two valves right here are your bypass valves.
Cool.
So once you cut it into winterize correlation with every single valve, it actually bypasses the water heater for you. Sanitize is
get the keys to the whole camper.
There they are.
Everything.
Yep.
Sanitize is basically the same thing as winterizing. Instead of it being the pink antifreeze liquid, it's a blue liquid that actually sanitizes all your lines. Then you have your city water connection here. That's where you hook up your water. You know to use a water pressure regulator on that.
Yep.
All right. Did you have a black tank flush on your Laredo?
Yep, sure did.
All right. Did you use a water pressure regulator on that?
Sometimes. Most of the time I did not. Because I used a different hose.
Use a different hose? You need to constantly use that water pressure regulator on that too as well. Because it's mainly having to do with your plumbing lines.
Gotcha.
So your plumbing lines can only take a maximum of 60 PSI. If you ever exceed that, you can cause flood damage and water damage to your camper. So that's what those things are designed to do, is to keep you from causing or doing that. All right. You have your 110 wall outlets right over here. And then of course you have all your tank valves, and they are labeled. So you have black, gray, and gray. Of course, you know the order of operation for that. Start with the black, follow with both the grays.
Yep.
Release that always. This port right here, so you can run all your water lines up and through without your storage compartment being open access to the public. You do have a motion sensor light right here too as well. That's pretty much it.